Hey, hello, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a footer section, uh, HTML and CSS. So let us start my today's video. So previous tutorial I have complete this section and I will complete this footer section. So let us start. First I need আমি একটা ক্লাস নিব in div I have 11 the plus and spa and spell tag. I will copy 1 2 3 st dot city location country and will be number. This is, and after that I will create a p tag. At rate copy and 2023 by Bailey at the rate amp career your yoga all rights, and after that I will create a problem d id. After that connect. A hyperreference will be hash and id will be Facebook and target will be black. A div close and I will copy all of them, copy paste and again paste, blank, and this one will be Twitter, this one will be Google, and this one will be PINTEREST, Pinterest. Copy Twitter and paste in here, Google, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. That's all. And after that footer section is start. Let me check. This one will be footer margin 0 auto and max wide will be 96 pixel and overflow hidden and padding will be 30 pixel 0 0 60 pixel. That footer section is perfect working, but what problem? Let me check about all of them complete, and I will as download tr footer div class plot will be left, sorry, uh, no, left white over details, sorry, white will be fit and complete all of them, and after that footer div span tag span, sorry, color will be hash 99fa 99. That picture perfect. Now load display block and font size 26 pixel and line height 30 pixel. Perfect, but I will hash footer div ptag color will be hash v6 d8 cf and font size 12 pixel and mm, line height will be 30 pixel. Perfect. This is after that footer div hash connect will be float right float right float right and overflow hidden and white on. Perfect. Now I will design footer tag footer div hash connect a tag Now background BACK URL and double dot slash images slash dot png. No repeat, let me check. Perfectly working, but what problem? I don't understand. Here icons. mm, Icons facebook.com. Sorry, this one will be image src id facebook target blank. I have mistaken my some code because what this problem have created. So if I click in here, this is perfectly correct, and this on will be copy and paste in here, this on paste in here, and this and Facebook, Twitter, Google, and Pinterest. TEREST. Let me check. Oh, sorry, Google GOOGLE. Google Plus PLUS. Perfectly working, but on will be class. Yeah, I'll image style. Style will be padding, 10 pixel and 10 pixel. Let me check. And now a image. Div and connect a image hash connect a img padding padding will be 10 pixel and 10 pixel. Let me check. Oh, perfectly work. This is my right now project. I have as I have created, and this is my previous, and this is my previous. So footer section is perfectly complete. So if you successfully done this project, please keep watching my video and enjoy here. Thanks for watching all of video. I will next class about section. I'll create a sorry this one about section. I will complete this about section. So thanks for watching my video.